Hi guys, did you know you can make this crispy, delicious and affordable snack at home? Let me show you how.
Welcome to Lizzy Home Kitchen, your home for easy and tasty baking recipes. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my baking tutorials.
In a bowl, add half cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 tablespoon of salt and 1 large egg. Mix it together until everything is well combined. When I see that the fork is not mixing it well, so I had to use roller to mix it together until it's well combined. After that, add 3 cups of flour and mix it together until a dough is formed. At first, it may be like the ingredient is too dry, like there is not enough liquid in it, but do not worry and don't add water to it. Just continue mixing it. Everything will definitely come together. And it's better to use hands so that you will be able to mix it very well like this. After that, transfer it to the wall surface, but before transferring it, you have to sprinkle a little flour to your wall surface. Transfer the dough and add 1 tablespoon of margarine, then knead it together until everything is well combined and the dough becomes smooth. I know it may be messy at first, but do not worry, just continue kneading it. It will definitely come together. Knead it very well until the dough becomes smooth. Just continue kneading it until you get that smooth dough, as you can see. Then transfer it to another bowl and cover it for about 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, can you see that it has been doubled in size? Then puff out the bubbles. Puff it and knead it again for about 2 minutes. Then transfer it to the wall surface and use your roller to roll it out. Roll it out as much as possible. Roll it out very well to get that flat dough. Roll it out as much as possible, as you can see. Then for the shape, you have to cut it into letter X. After that, divide each of it into 2. Very easy and simple. Can you see now? So this is the first part. Very easy to make. Then repeat the step for the rest and cover it, then leave it for about 1 hour for it to be double in size. After 1 hour, can you see the results? Now it's time to fry. Add your vegetable oil to the frying pan and deep fry on a low heat until it's turned golden brown. So guys, this is the results. Very crispy outside and soft inside. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, kindly do so now and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my baking tutorials. Thanks for watching.